In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to WhatsApp Web on Chrome. With the digital age in full swing, staying connected with friends, family, and colleagues has never been easier thanks to a plethora of messaging apps at our fingertips. One of the most popular ones, WhatsApp, not only allows us to communicate via our mobile devices, but also extends its functionalities to our desktops through WhatsApp Web. This fantastic feature enables you to send messages, share files, and even make calls right from your computer, making multitasking a breeze. First things first, let's navigate to the starting point of this process. Open your preferred web browser, in this case Google Chrome. It's essential to make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any disruptions during the procedure. Once Chrome is up and running, type whatsapp.com in the address bar at the top of your browser and press enter. This action will take you directly to WhatsApp's official website, which serves as the gateway to using WhatsApp Web. The website has a clean, user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to find their way around. Upon landing on the homepage, your next move is to locate the Login button. You can usually find this button towards the top right corner of the screen, but depending on updates and design changes, its position may vary slightly. Once you spot the Login option, go ahead and click on it. This click is your key to unlocking the WhatsApp web experience. Now we move on to the critical step that bridges the gap between your computer and your mobile device, scanning the QR code. After clicking on Login, you'll be greeted with a unique QR code on your computer screen. This QR code is basically a digital fingerprint unique to your session, waiting to securely link your mobile WhatsApp account to WhatsApp Web. To scan this QR code, you'll need your mobile phone at the ready. Unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp application. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, the process remains pretty straightforward. On Android, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu, then select WhatsApp Web. For iPhone users, go to the Settings tab at the bottom right corner and tap on WhatsApp Web Desktop. Both of these actions will activate your phone's camera in scanner mode. Now point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. Try to align it so that the QR code fits within the scanner's frame. If this feels a bit like a digital handshake, that's because it essentially is. The moment the scanner reads the code, a direct link is established between your phone and your computer. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, your WhatsApp account will magically appear on your computer screen, mirroring all your chats and allowing you to start using WhatsApp on Chrome. It's that easy. You can now enjoy all the features of WhatsApp without having to constantly switch between your computer and your phone. A couple of tips to enhance your WhatsApp web experience. Ensure your phone remains connected to the internet. WhatsApp Web mirrors the content of your mobile WhatsApp, meaning if your phone loses its internet connection, WhatsApp Web will disconnect as well. Also, for privacy and security, remember to log out from WhatsApp Web if you're using a shared or public computer. You can do this directly from your phone by going back to the WhatsApp Web section and tapping on Log Out from all devices. Using WhatsApp Web on Chrome can significantly improve your productivity by allowing you to type faster on a keyboard, view messages and media on a larger screen, and keep your phone tucked away, reducing distractions. Whether you're working from home, studying, or just prefer typing on a keyboard, knowing how to log in to WhatsApp Web will undoubtedly come in handy. That wraps up our tutorial on how to log in to WhatsApp Web on Chrome. We've walked through the steps together, from navigating to the WhatsApp website, locating the login button, to scanning the QR code that syncs your mobile account to your computer. Remember, staying connected in today's world is essential, and WhatsApp Web is here to make that connection smoother and more accessible than ever. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.